guys, today we're playing Dance and Blocks Off. And today I am playing with my friend that I joined. Her name is Rina Starry 12. I don't know why I'm saying that. I kind of sound weird. Okay, now we're going to wait. There we go. Why do I sound so weird? My gosh. This look like Georgie. Let me talk to them. Which one should I pick? Okay, this one. Hi, I'm Prima Tutu and I love ballet. Got any ballet story to share? Ballet begin in Paris, France in 166 when it traveled from there to Italy and Russia. I can't read that all that fast. Wow. I keep getting mistakes, but I don't care. Russia, where ballet masters continue to teach and what? Heck. You man, and I'm Mr. Sackley. I do not. Time I love excursion dance. Sure, man. Dance is music made invisible. George Balance. Who George Balance? George Balance was a Finnish choreographer who founded the New York City Ballet, where his work is still perfect today. Hi there, I'm Peruta. Designer, I'm a dance your blocks off, pro. Got any pro tips for? Spice up your routine by creating new dance moves, jump while performing any regular move. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe. Like that. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, you watched that. I hope you like it. Subscribe, hit that notification, and I hope you enjoy. Love ya. Peace out.